Hello down there on the good Earth, and all the best from the International Space Station. I am Expedition 57 Commander Alexander Gerst, and next to me we have Serena Auñón-Chancellor, flight engineer from NASA. Well, today is a special day, especially for me, because I've already had the honor several times in my life to spend a Thanksgiving together with an American, which always makes it an especially great experience. So tonight we will have a Thanksgiving dinner up here on the International Space Station, covering 3 continents together with our Russian colleague Sergei Prokopyev. And this is our turkey.
Like Alex said, this is what we're going to be enjoying this evening. We've got everything from turkey to candied yams to stuffing to special spicy pound cakes, so we're very excited. Thanksgiving is a time to spend with those whom you love, whomever that might be. And so we'll be enjoying this meal together, but then also calling our loved ones back on planet Earth. And so we hope that whether you are at home or deployed around the globe, that you are able to find some time to spend with friends and or family. So definitely from the crew of Expedition 57, from our home to yours, we wish you a very happy Thanksgiving.